way that you can stop a nosebleed. Instead of leaning back, lean forward. This will keep you from swallowing blood. Keep your nostrils pinched for 5 minutes before checking to see if it stopped. Do this for another 5 minutes and keep repeating until the bleeding finally goes away. Call 911 if it's too severe.
Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Tengku Izulia, ENT surgeon. Me and my assistant will show you how to stop nosebleed. The first step is to stay upright. Do not tilt your head back or lie flat. Second step, lean forward. Spit the blood out and breathe through the mouth. Third step, pinch the soft part of your nose for 10 minutes. Fourth step, place ice pack on the bridge of your nose. If the bleeding persists, you may need to seek medical advice from an ENT surgeon to identify any unusual cause of bleeding.